Hi, you two. Just wanted to say I really enjoyed seeing those of you who I saw yesterday when I was delivering work packs and when I popped into class. It was really nice to see your faces. Feels like a really long time since we've been able to spend any time together. Right, on to today's Fast Five. So similar questions to yesterday with different numbers so you can get used to it and you can get practicing. And if you didn't get one right yesterday, hopefully you'll get it right today. And by the end of the week, you might even have all of them right. So number one is something add 13 is 20. Number two, 34 add 28 is what? Number three, something is the same as 54 subtract 23. Number four, 10 times 9 is what? Number five, 2 add 8 add 7. And then the challenge, 5 times 4 is the same as something add 3. You are going to pause me now. Okay. Hopefully you've done your answers and you've checked them. If you haven't checked them, pause me and check them. If you have checked them, we'll do the answers. So, number one, remember we can use our number bonds to 10 to help us if you haven't memorised your number bonds to 20 yet, but I seriously suggest you spend some time with whoever's at home, maybe an older sibling or a parent or a grandparent, whoever you're with, and get those number bonds perfected because they will make your maths so much easier. So number one, something add 13 is 20, 7 add 13 is 20. Number two, 34 add 28 is something. Now for me, I would do something where we take something off of one number and add it to the other. So I would take 2 from the 34 and I would add it to the 28. That gives me 30, and I can add tens in my head very easily. So I've taken 2 from the 34, which gives me 32. I put it onto the 28, which gives me 30. 32 add 30 is 62. You might have done 34 add 8 and then 20, or you might have done 30 and 20, 4 and 8, and then added it all up. Either way, it's 62. Number three, something is the same as 54 subtract 23. So if we do 54 subtract the ones, which is 3, then we get 51, and then subtract the tens, which is 2 tens or 20, we get 31. Number four, 10 times 9. If you don't know your 10 times tables, get practicing them. They are one that will help you so much further down the line in Key Stage 2. 10 times 9 is 90. Number 5. Remember yesterday we talked about spotting a pattern or a pair of numbers that you know adds up to something. So in there is a pair of number bonds to 10. What two numbers add to 10? It is the 2 and the 8. So 2 and 8 is 10. Add on the 7, 17. And then the challenge, 5 times 4 is the same as something add 3. 5 times 4 is 20. This side also needs to equal 20, which means we need to add something to that 3 to make 20. What do we add to 3? We add 17. Well done for the ones you got correct. Remember, you can send me your scores. You could add your scores to the portfolio on Class Dojo if you wanted to, for those of you who are at home. That would be a really nice way to show me your scores. Or you should just get someone to email them to me. Okay? Have a lovely day. Bye.